Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add a location into your TikTok video. So we all know the process. Let's open up TikTok and tap on this plus icon right here at the bottom. And here we can just record any video we want to record or just upload a photo or a video we want to post. For this tutorial, I'm just going to upload, for example, this photo or video. And I'm just going to tap on next. And here you can see the word location. Just tap on that. And you're going to be able to just enter or type in anywhere you are in the world. For example, I'll just type in Target, maybe in New York. And there you have it. When you're done, just tap on post and it would just upload into your TikTok feed. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped and we will see you in the next video.